Hi everyone, hope you are having absolutely lovely day. Welcome back or welcome to those who are new here. I'm Yamini and in this video we are going to chat about how to celebrate the small things in life. Raise your hands if you were extremely excited about 2020. I was. I remember the day on 31st of December 2019. I wrote down like 10 things that I would do in 2020 and the places that I would travel and the things that I would do, etc., etc., the big things that I would do. But as we all know, the pandemic had other plans for the entire world, right? So that's when I realized that it's all about celebrating the small things. What do I mean by that? Let me explain you. When I say small things, I mean day to day life, our daily life, our routine, like as you call it. It's very mundane, right? But it's about making those mundane things bigger. Of course, we look forward to the big milestones in life, the birthdays, anniversaries, wedding, or your big promotion. All of those things, of course, we look forward to. We hope that they happen soon and we hold on to hope for those things, right? But here I'm going to talk about how we can make the small things better, our routine better, our day to day life better, which will make us happy, make our mind happy. Life is literally happening right now. This moments that are passing right now is your life passing by, right? Life is extremely unpredictable, extremely uncertain. The only thing that we have in our control is the present. What we do with our time right now makes all the difference. I'm not talking about the high end productive things that we need to do. I'm just talking about small things which brings us joy in daily life. For example, when I get up in the morning, my main motivation to wake up from my bed is doing the entire morning routine that I've recently started with. That includes taking a hot cup of tea and sitting by my balcony and sipping it, just looking at my plants, looking at the blue sky, and just inhaling the morning freshness is what I look forward to every day when I wake up. That is a routine that I have inculcated and made myself to make me feel better throughout the day. The second example is whenever I have lunch, I have this habit of having something sweet at the end of it. So whenever I finish lunch, I know that some sweet is or chocolate is waiting for me right after lunch. Those such small treats, such little joys make our everyday things so much better for us. It may be a phone call that you do to a friend or your parents right after your work gets done, or it may be an evening walk with your dog. It may be a 5 minutes heart to heart with your partner. It can be anything. It can be anything and everything, not necessarily productive, but something which just makes you happy. You're filling your mind with a certain anticipation of happiness right after you're doing certain tasks. And that is what helps us go through the day. The whole idea is turning something that is happening in the present much more memorable, much more easy, and much more happy of what you do. Such tiny treats and happiness will calm your mind, will not it will help you not go into that negative space of, oh, I don't have this didn't happen today, or that didn't happen today, why isn't this happening so fast, why is this happening so slow. All of those things, it helps us in throwing away those negative space and just focusing on those little treats that you have planned for yourself. As I said, it shouldn't be super healthy or super productive or something very big. A huge gesture is not needed. It's just something personal. It's for you, it's for your mind, and it's something that gives you value and happiness. For me, at the end of the day, I also write down for 5 minutes. It can be journaling or something which just is going on in my mind. I make sure that I write for at least 5 minutes every day. It's literally like spa for your mind. So that is something which I look forward to at the end of my day. These little things hold so much value at the end of the day, and looking back, it's not just about the big milestones and the big things that happen in your life. It's also about surviving. It's also about making each day special and each day filled with satisfaction for yourself. To each its own. We all have our own silver lining, and we just need to find it. It can be very, very small things that you need to do, and that will make a huge difference. Trust me. When you look back, it's you have made something for yourself. You have made yourself happy. I know so many people which also write like letters to themselves, and which is so special and so amazing, right? You're making yourself happy. It's a form of self-care as well. So yeah, I think in such uncertain times, in such unpredictable times that life has shown us, I think these small little things that we do for ourselves holds all the value for us. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what are the small habits that you inculcated in your life which makes it better, which levels it up for yourself. Something personal, I would love to read it. Please drop it down in the comments below, and make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe and click the notification bell next to it. Thank you so much.